Here's how to delete your Reels history on Facebook. Now, open up the Facebook app or facebook.com, depending on which one you want to use. The first option is to tap on Reels here. And let's say you liked a reel or swiped around and you watched a couple of reels. The first thing that you can do is at the very top right, look for that profile icon. Now, if you don't see that, you'll see it disappears here. If you don't see it, just swipe up and then tap on that profile button. The next thing we're going to do is tap on your profile, and this will get you to your Reels profile. The first thing we can do is see if you saved or liked any. So if I go to liked here, it'll show me all of the Reels that I liked. All I need to do to remove them is to tap on it and unlike them. Now, these are various Reels that you might have saved or that you might have liked, and you can always remove them from here. But there is another place that you can remove your entire video watch history. Let's walk through that as well. To do that, we need to get to your settings. So go and open up the settings in your Facebook app or facebook.com. And next, we will navigate to the activity log. Within the activity log, it will capture all of your activity on the Facebook platform. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't keep a record of every single video that you've watched, including stories and all of the reels, but it does capture some of the videos, and we can always clear that history. To do that, all we need to do is hit see more. You can see videos you've watched. Now, it'll show me all of these videos. If I wanted to delete one, I can tap on the three dots and hit delete. Or at the very top, I can hit clear video watch history, and that will completely delete out all of the videos that I've watched.